This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make card sleeves. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need clear plastic sheets, ideally 3 to 5 mils thick for durability, a reliable heat sealer, and a cutting mat. Also, have a ruler and a sharp craft knife ready. Preparing your cards for accurate measurement is crucial to ensure your custom sleeves fit perfectly and offer excellent protection. Next, we focus on precise measuring and cutting. Measure your card's exact dimensions, then add about 2 millimeters to both the length and width for a comfortable fit. Cut 2 identical pieces of your chosen plastic for each sleeve. Using a metal ruler and a very sharp craft knife will help you achieve clean, straight edges, which are essential for a professional-looking finished product. Now, let's move to sealing your sleeves. With your heat sealer, carefully seal 3 of the 4 edges of your 2 plastic pieces together. It's vital to leave one short edge completely open. This will be where you insert your card. Before sealing your actual sleeves, always test your heat sealer on a small piece of scrap plastic to determine the optimal temperature and pressure for a secure, clean seal. Finally, we'll cover finishing touches and quality tips. After sealing, carefully trim any excess plastic from the sealed edges to give your sleeves a neat, professional appearance. Gently insert your cards into the newly created sleeves, taking care not to bend or damage them. For an even more refined feel and to prevent sharp corners, consider using a corner rounder tool on all 4 corners of your finished sleeves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.